Hello my crafty cuties and welcome back. Today I have a super adorable yet super affordable spooky cute haul from scrapbook.com. So today's haul consists mostly of Doodlebug and I know you guys are gonna love it. So drop a like and let's jump into this haul. So before we start the haul, I wanted to really quickly show you guys some of the projects that I've been working on using the Doodlebug Booville collection. So today's haul was pretty much just add-ons and stuff that I didn't get a chance to grab last time and that I wanted to go with the stuff that I'm working on. So here is the Doodlebug Booville collection. Well, this is the 6x6 paper pad and this just basically gives you a quick overview of the collection. I will definitely put a link to my last haul where I show all this stuff in depth. But anyway, last time I got some of the washi tape, I got the 6x6 and I got a bunch of the sticker packs, or a few of the sticker packs. You guys, I was able to create the most gorgeous cards. I just cannot tell you how in love I am with this collection. Doodlebug makes it so easy to create an adorable yet unique card. Oh my goodness, I just love it so much. I backed it up with some of those plain black cardstock, black card backs, cards and envelopes from Michaels, which are such an awesome deal. And anyway, yeah, so I created that, and then using the stickers, I created this little scene right here. So I'm gonna use this for the cover of a flip book. So the first thing I'm going to show you from today's new haul is this Sizzix Tim Holtz die set, which I got. It is my first set of rosette dies, and you guys, I am so excited about it and I'm so happy with how they turned out. So here are the first rosettes that I have ever made in my whole life, and I am so happy with them. You guys, look how cute they are, especially with the Doodlebug papers. Oh my goodness, I am absolutely loving them. I have already made some magical unicorn and mermaid ones as well, which I will definitely be sharing with you guys in another video. Here is the spider one. Okay, so I thought that I had brought all three different ones up to show you, but it looks like I only brought two of the different ones. So there is one other shape that it comes with. See, this one has like round, like teardrop shapes inside. And then this one has like the diamonds. So I freaking love them. Here is the set once again, and it is available from scrapbook.com. I so wish I had got it sooner. I was totally put off by the colors here until it finally struck me that, oh my goodness, I'm crazy. I could use whatever paper I wanted. So yeah, totally happy that I picked this up, and now I am gonna move this stuff away and show you guys what else I grabbed. So here is the big box of stuff I got, and as you guys can see, it was a pretty big order. I think this is actually one of my first one-page orders from scrapbook.com. Usually they are two, sometimes 2.5 pages. But anyway, yeah, really decent sized order, so I'm really happy about that. And lo and behold, look, I did bring up the other shape of rosette to show you guys. So this is a little Kawaii ghost rosette that I've made, and I think he's so adorable and I absolutely love him. So I am gonna get this stuff out of the box so we can go through it, and you guys, I'm so excited. I've also added in some ribbon from Dollar Tree just because it's Halloween themed and doesn't really go with the rest of the theme of my Dollar Tree haul. So yeah. So first I'm going to show you guys these adorably cute Halloween ribbons that I got from Dollar Tree. I was actually super disappointed when I went to Dollar Tree because I had been seeing all these amazing Halloween walkthroughs from the US, and they had none of it in the Canadian Dollar Tree, none of it. So super disappointed. Also was disappointed that in the Dollar Tree walkthroughs, they all skipped the craft sections. Like, what the heck is that? Like, one girl was just coming up to it, turned off her camera, started somewhere else. Hello, that's the most important section in the store. Okay, so I got this black and orange zigzag ribbon over here, and I think it's totally adorable. Once again, I was keeping in mind that I wanted all of these to match with the Booville collection, you know, and all of the paper and supplies I had just got. So I got some black glitter ribbon over here, and what I actually didn't realize when I was in the store is that these are adhesive ribbons. So this is a 3-foot roll. I'm not quite sure exactly how much that is gonna be, but yeah, I'm really happy because I didn't like that white in the ribbon and I almost didn't buy it because of that, but it is just an adhesive strip and it's gonna come off. So yeah, it's super cute. So I got that one. I got this one here with the spiderweb design, which totally goes with a couple of the Doodlebug papers, and the sparkle one that I already showed you. So next I decided to get some new stickles and some Nouveau drops since I am slowly growing my collection of those. So of course I wanted them to go with the whole Halloween theme and the Doodlebug theme, and I found 4 colors that I think match totally perfect. In my last haul I also got the Nouveau glitter drops in black and I'm totally loving those. So this time I picked up these stickles in orange slice. I'm gonna be using these on my rosettes and they are gonna look super cute. Then I got these Nouveau crystal drops, and as you can see here, it is, if the camera will focus, it's just like a really pretty lime green. And this color is called apple green, and it matches with Doodlebug so perfectly. Then over here we have the black stickles, and they are called Black Diamond. So the stickles are not dimensional, however they are glittery, but the Nouveau drops, they would be your dimensional paint, like fabric paint, stuff like that. So here, I think these are called Crushed Grape. Let us see. Nope, they are called Purple Rain. And once again, they are so glittery, so pretty, and perfect for the Doodlebug collection. So I did get a couple other die sets other than the rosettes. Once again, they are Halloween themed, and I'm thinking that they will go really great with the Doodlebug. So they are both Spellbinders D-Lights, and I absolutely love the Spellbinders D-Lights die sets. So you can see an example right there. Basically, you can make candy corns, and you could make them in any color you want. So I could make like pastel candy corn, you know, green candy corn, mint candy corn, pink, whatever I wanted, and I'm so super duper excited about that. So I did get that, and there is the SKU in case you guys need it. And then over here I did get Haunted Manor, and for some reason it says that this one embosses. Oh, I guess it embosses the window and the stairs. So yeah, I thought that was super cute for a haunted house, and then it does come with some little mini bats too. So I also did get some more of the Doodlebug washi tape. This one is called Midnight Party. And again, the packaging for it is like kind of beat up and a little bit dirty, but the tape is okay. So it looks like that. It's just all polka dotted. And if you missed my last haul, last time I did pick up these 2. So now I've got 3 washies to go with the Doodlebug Halloween collection, so I'm super excited about that. I also did get this Tim Holtz Ideology trimmings, and I think they are so cute. So basically, this one is like black, you know what, I can't remember what you guys call that stuff. But anyway, yeah, it's just so pretty and shiny. And then over here, we've just got black and orange twine, which is very similar to the Doodlebug one that I got, except it doesn't have the white in it. But yeah, I knew that I had to get those as soon as I saw that pack. Next up, we've got the super adorable Doodle Pops, which are dimensional cardstock stickers and are definitely one of my favorite parts of the Doodlebug collection. Basically, what they do is they take their little characters from the paper stacks, paper pads, and paper collections. They blow them up and turn them into dimensional cardstock stickers, and they are absolutely adorable. So there are some other Halloween ones available. Like I said, I'm gonna link my last scrapbook.com Halloween haul from a couple weeks ago, and you guys can check them out. But I did get 2 more of these witches right here. I got 2 more of the little skeleton guy. He is so adorable. I got 2 more of the mummy. I got 1 of this frog. I just thought that was so cute. Once again, Looks like something on the packaging. Hopefully it's the packaging anyway. But yeah, I just thought that was so adorable. I got another pack of the ghosts. And yes, that is the ghost that I used on here, and those are super cute. I got 3 of the bats because all they had left was 3, and these are just so adorable. You know, I had to get them all. I got 1 more of the green witch, so you can see the difference right there. I also got a haunted house, and then I got these, which are called the mini doodle pops. And it says they're perfect for scrapbooks and cards. Basically, they're perfect for any paper crafting, and I love them just to add a little touch here and there. Now, one of the other things I want to point out about these doodle pops is you see these little small stickers that they come with. These come in so handy, you guys, for little corners here and there. You have no idea. So yeah, I can't tell you enough how much I recommend the Doodle Pop. So I also picked up a pack of the Doodlebug Teensy Type cardstock alpha stickers and a pack of the shape sprinkles. Now let me tell you guys, these Doodlebug alpha stickers are fast becoming my favorite alpha stickers. They are so adorable, and what I love is that they have different sizes and really small ones so that you can fit them in tiny places. I absolutely just love the writing style of them as well. And these ones are called Tangerine. I also picked up this pack of shape sprinkles. It is called Halloween Night, and I'm really happy with these shape sprinkles because in the past I have got some that looked like they were a bit faded or damaged by the sun, so I'm really happy with these ones. Next, we have one of my most absolutely favorite things from this haul that I am so excited about, and I am definitely going to be getting more of these paper packs. So this is the 12 by 12 Booville Petite Print Assortment. And as you guys can see, if I put the collection beside it, the colors match absolutely perfectly. Not only that though, they also match with all the other Doodlebug collections, as you can see, if you remove the black. So basically, all Doodlebug papers go with each other, which is another reason that I love Doodlebug so much, if I didn't already mention that. But anyway, yeah, I am so excited about these Halloween prints. One of the reasons that I was struggling with my cards is because I didn't have enough plain paper that matched, you know, to go in the back to make the layers and the mats. So this is gonna make that so much easier for me. As you can see, it comes with a ton of different colors. I think it comes with 12, yeah, it only comes with 12 papers, so I'm definitely gonna need another one, but they are super cute and I'm totally happy that I got this. Oh, if I didn't mention it, they also have like one for every collection. So this is the Booville paper pack. Even though it does match like the unicorns and the mermaid, they do have one for the fairy tale collection, one for the Under the Sea collection. So they're all different and you guys should totally check them out. So last but not least, I'm gonna show you guys these totally awesome open cardstock papers that I got. Now I didn't get a lot because as I've already told you, I just did a huge Halloween haul. So I will definitely link that below. Make sure you guys go check it out. But anyway, we are gonna start off with this paper, which I am absolutely in love with. It is from the Haunted House collection by Cartabella, and when it came, it had this side facing up, and I was like, why the heck did I buy this? And I could not figure it out because, like, you know, for Halloween pumpkins, they're not bad, but I mean, they don't match the Booville collection at all. Then I turned it over and I was like, oh my goodness, this is why I got it. So is this not the coolest thing you guys have ever seen? Like, I am just gonna use this for Halloween decor. So basically it looks like a witch's newspaper. You've got brooms here. We'll cast a spell on you with our savings. BOGO assorted screams in the dark. I just absolutely love it. So I totally had to pick that up. I also got 3 sheets of plain black cardstock, you know, just for matting and making cards. I also got this sheet of purple cardstock. It is from Kaisercraft. There is the information right there. It is called Amethyst. I also got this sheet right here, and it says Basil or Basil. So yeah, I'm really happy that I got this, and it's actually a little bit thicker than cardstocks I'm used to, and it is super, super pretty. Once again, it's gonna match the collection perfectly. So even though I did get the Petite Prince assortment pack, I also did get some extras to go along with it. I am absolutely in love with the gingham prints, so I did get one of these. I think the color is called Limeade. I'm wrong, it is called Citrus, and there is the information. I'm obsessing with the gingham. Here's what that side looks like. Then I got this sheet of green cardstock. It is textured so beautifully. Once again, it is Doodlebug, and it is so awesome that they make these. So this one's Limeade, and it is so awesome that they make these for us, you know, because they match so perfectly, you know, with all the collections. Again, why I love Doodlebug. So I did get another of these sheets right here. I did get a couple of these last time. This is from the Booze and Brews collection, and I have been loving these little pumpkins. Actually, I think I should make a rosette out of them. And then the back has this on it. Oh my goodness, I just thought that was a swear. Okay, so you've got all your little sentiments here, perfect for cards, and super, super cute. I love that little guy. They are just so kawaii, oh my goodness. Then over here, I've got another sheet of the orange, which again comes in this pack and has the gingham. Here is the information for you guys. It is called Tangerine. I also got a sheet of their vellum sprinkles, which I adore. I think I have 1 or 2 sheets of this, but I actually haven't played with them yet. Here is the information for that. Once again, it is called Tangerine. I got 2 sheets of the Mandarin cardstock. Again, this is from Doodlebug and matches with all their collections. Well, not all their collections, but it matches with the Halloween collection anyway. And then last but not least, from Cardabella. Is it Cardabella? Oh no, this is from American Crafts. So look at these, you guys, for Pasteloween. So this side has these adorable black cats on like a pastel pinky lavender paper, and then this side is totally perfect for doing like a Halloween layout, you know, like I do with Chase. We always do like Halloween crafts, and I thought this would be perfect for a craft layout, so I did get 3 sheets of that as well. Okay guys, so it looks like that is everything for this week's Halloween haul from scrapbook.com. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed and make sure you have those notifications turned on so you don't miss out on my next giveaway. That's all for now, but I'll see you next time. Miss